Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting your data and getting the right installer files. First, back up your phone to cloud or PC so you can restore if needed. Once done, go to Settings and enable installation from unknown sources. This lets you install APKs outside the App Store. Next, download 3 APKs that match your EMUI/Android build: GMS Core, Google Play Services, and the Play Store. Make sure file names match versions for your device. Mismatches cause crashes. Now install in the correct sequence so services register properly. Start with GMS Core, tap Install and allow all requested permissions. After that, install Google Play Services. This is the engine that lets apps connect to Google APIs, so grant overlays, background activity, and location if asked. Finally, install the Google Play Store APK. If Android blocks an install, grant the specific permission and restart the install sequence. Make sure you keep network access on. Some components finalize during background initialization. To finish, open the Play Store and sign into your Google account. Initial sync may take several minutes, so be patient. If the store forces close or shows errors, go to Settings Apps, clear cache and clear data for Google Play Services and Play Store, then reboot and open again. If problems persist, check that each APK version matches your device OS. Uninstall and reinstall matching versions in the same order. This one key troubleshooting step, version mismatch, is the most common cause of failure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.